Hi, it's me again, Shelley at Cromartie. But of course, I'm not working from Cromartie today. I'm actually at home. Just before I start this video, I need to let you know that Cromartie obviously is closed. However, we are still open online. So we are still taking orders. We are still getting them out to you. So if you have got an order, feel free to give us a call or send us an email and drop those in and we will get them out to you as soon as possible. We've got a small but mighty team at Cromartie that are still working hard to fulfill requests. So please give us a call. Now, for those of you that watched my first foam clay video, this is just a little recap and a big hello to our friends across the pond who found this video quite interesting. So hello America, I hope you're all keeping well and safe. Now, foam clay, what is it? A quick recap. Well, it is a clay like foam. So it comes like this, it's not messy, doesn't stick to your hands, doesn't get anywhere, and you can pretty much use it on anything. You just rip off a piece and then you mold it onto your piece of bisque, like so. And then it dries and dries hard. Okay, so this is one that I made earlier. This is a rainbow bank. You can do foam clay on anything, but I chose to do a rainbow bank today to fit in with everything that's going on at the moment and to symbolise hope at the end of the tunnel. So this rainbow is using a mixture of all the different foam clays. You've got some of the glitter clay here, you've got the neons, and you have the metallics here. So there's a real mixture on there. So I'm just going to run through the different sizes of foam clay that we have. So we have the big pots like this that most of the studios have. You can just rip pieces off and give them to people. So some people are doing takeout sets with the big ones and just distributing them and sending them out with a couple of pieces of bisque as takeaway packs. Or you can buy them in the small sets and send these out as well. Now these are the glitter clays, so they come in 6s. Then you have the metallics that come in a set of 6. You have a glow in the dark, which also comes in a set of 6. And then you have these multi-packs, which are a smaller version of the big ones, but slightly bigger than these ones. And these come in your standard foam clay and also your glitter foam clays. So some people, like I say, are sending them out as they come. Other people are breaking them down. It's entirely up to you how you decide to do that. But if you are over in the States, we can air freight them to you. So if you're interested in that, we can send a small box and you can try it out. Or if maybe some of you want to group together in the same state and get a pallet delivered, we can do that. Or if there's any distributors out there that are interested in taking this product, you can also give us a call and we will talk you through that as well. So there are lots of options in getting this product over to you guys. And it is a really, really cool product. So I hope that's been helpful. I hope you're all keeping well and safe. And stay inside, wash your hands, and as the Americans say, have a great day.